Hi, in this video, I am explaining about tabs and funnel feature in Nomato Pro. Are you a business owner and managing multiple customers day by day and struggling to arrange your customers or struggling to manage your customers based on sales stages they are on? Are you confused on which customer is new customers or which one's payment received or which one's order delivered kind of thing? So then this feature is for you. In Nomato Pro, you can create multiple tabs on web WhatsApp and you can arrange your customers based on the sales stages they are on. Here you can see new customer tab here, payment received tab here. Like this, based on how you are managing your customers, you can create multiple tabs and you can add customers to the appropriate tab based on the stages they are on. Here you can see by clicking on a chat, for adding this customer to a tab, you can click on this icon and here you can see the tabs are listed here. So if the customer is new customer, you can add them to new customer tab, or if the customer's payment received, you can add them to the appropriate tab. Like this, you can create multiple tabs here. For creating new tab, click on this and here you can give a name. So payment pending. Here I am creating and here you can see this is added here. So for arranging the stages, you can add this customer to here. So the first stage, new customer and payment received or payment pending, you can arrange according to your needs. And here you can see here tab configuration, and here from here you can hide the tabs if you need it. You can click on here, the tab will be hidden and hide. If you want to delete, you can delete, or if you want to edit the name, you can edit from by clicking on this. Or if you want to create a new tab, you can add also from here. And here also you can see the settings option. Here you can add or remove contacts in tab, import contacts from a label. You can copy contacts to another tab. You can export contacts from the tab. So here, for example, if in new customer tab there are 10 customers, you can export contacts from the tab. And if you want to edit, you can edit. And for removing, you can remove from here. And for creating a new tab, you can also create from here. And this option is funnel filter. So by using this funnel filter, you can understand how many customers are here on each stages. Here you can see the numbers are here. So now on each tab there is no contact. So this all 0. And if you added a new contact to the tab, the number is increased. Or if you removed from the tab, it's decreased. So like this, you can understand how many contacts, how many customers are on each tab, how many is order delivered, how many is payment received, how many new enquiries or new customers are there. So like this, you can analyze your sales stages, how many customers are there, how many. So like this, you can analyze your sales based on tabs. And another important use of these tabs is follow-up messages. Based on these tabs, you can send follow-up messages for customers and you can set up trigger for those messages. So for creating follow-up messages, I have created a detailed video in another tutorial. You can also watch from there. In short, I will explain how to set a follow-up message based on tabs. So for creating follow-up message, click on this and here you can see some follow-up messages are here. And for creating a new message, create and you can give a follow-up name for a new customer welcome message. And here you can see on which tab you want to send the messages to the customer. So when a customer is added to a new tab, you can send based on that. Or when a customer is removed from a tab, you can set up based on that. So here you can select based on which tab you want to send this follow-up message. Here you can select. So for sending a welcome message, I am selecting the new customer tab. And here you can see follow-up trigger. And here you can see 3 triggers are here. Trigger immediately upon entering the funnel, trigger immediately upon leaving the funnel, trigger after a defined time. So from here I am selecting trigger immediately upon entering the funnel. So the customer will get a welcome message or a follow-up message when they have added to the new customer tab. Or for another tab, if you want to send a follow-up message when the customer is removed from that tab, you can select this option also. Or if you want to trigger after a defined time, for example, for this new customer, If you want to send a follow-up message after 1 day or 2 days, you can set up according to that. Here you can select this option, and after how many days and on which time you want to send a message, you can set up from here. Now I am selecting the first option, and here I am setting up a follow-up action, a text message. So here I am setting up a follow-up message. And after that, if you want to send a image, you can select from here. And here you can see trigger rules. Here some rules are here. If you want to cancel the sending follow-up if the client responds. So if the client already responded, you can cancel the sending of the follow-up message. Or if you want to allow replying in groups, you can set up here. Or if you want to customize or disable the signature, you can select from here. And now I am not selecting any trigger rules, just creating the follow-up message. So when a customer is added to new customer tab, they will get a follow-up message, a welcome message. So the follow-up message is shared here. And if you want to edit or delete the follow-up message, you can edit from here. Or if you want to delete or duplicate the message, you can also do from here. So this feature is very helpful and important feature in Nomato Pro. It will help you to manage your customers based on the sales stages, and you can analyze how many customers are on each stages, how many sales are closed, how many orders are delivered. So based on this, you can analyze your business. You can analyze your sales progress like this, and also you can send follow-up messages. So this will help you to preventing from missing any follow-up messages, missing any leads from your customer. So these features will help you to improve your business day by day, and you can manage your business fastly and efficiently. And if you have any doubts and concerns related to this feature for setting up this for your business needs, you can feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. Thank you.